Hi there, my name is Gary. I'm a component production lead at Oxygenate. I'm basically helping the team to make a energy recovery core stacks membrane, and this is how it looks like. And let me show you how to build one. So right here with me is a aluminum plate that we're gonna put on the bottom of the jig that we already have set up, and we're gonna place it over here, which is like a press breaker for our aluminum. Let's press it one over here. And this is how it's supposed to be look like. And then we want it to have like a little bend in the middle so it has a better flows. And I'll just gonna place it on the bottom. This is a really nice jig that we have set up because it's like it just centers everything up, so we don't have to worry about having it like all over the place. And yeah, so okay, right here with me is we call it a spacer. We have two sides of the spacer. One of them has a 2 notch, and the other one has a one notch. And we always want to alternate it between each layers. We always want to start with the 2 notch. So I'm just gonna put it on the CNC laser right here. I would always want to make sure that it stays right there, and then we locked it to making sure that we cannot move anything. After that, we pull the membrane. I want to make sure everything's clear. There's nothing holes in between. One's good to go, and then I just run the machine. Okay. So when the machine starts running, there's a quality control that we need to do it before we place it on the jigs. First, we want to make sure every corner is welded properly, and then there's nothing that is loose. And then I kind of have to like walk it around to see like making sure there's nothing like coming out. And once it's good, once we confirm it's good, then we place it on the jigs. Simply by just putting on the top, and we can just like let it go. After that, we'll just continue making how many layers that the production needs. In this case, we're making a CV31, which we need like around 168 stacks. So yeah, we're gonna keep going making layers. Okay, so once we have all the numbers for the core stacks ready to test, right here with me, this is a leak pressure test setup that we just recently made. As you can see, we're still like in the early stage of production, and this is what we currently have. So basically, the ERV core membrane is we take how it works. Like we test the air pressure leaks from each side, and once it's passed, this will be ready for the productions. And yeah,